Life doesn't always go the way we plan. Sometimes, no matter how hard we try, everything seems to fall apart. But the truth is, the sooner you accept these 5 brutal realities, the sooner your life will begin to rise. Truth 1. No one is coming to save you. You might be waiting for a sign, a person, a miracle, but deep down you know this. You are the hero you've been waiting for. No one else can fight your battles. Stand up, dust yourself off. It's time. Truth 2. Discipline is stronger than motivation. You won't feel inspired every day. Some days you'll feel tired, hopeless, even numb. But greatness is built when you show up even when you don't feel like it. Discipline isn't easy, but it's worth everything. Truth 3. Failure isn't the end, it's your greatest teacher. You failed? Good. You got rejected? Even better. Because every setback is shaping you, forging you into someone unbreakable. Failure isn't the opposite of success, it's part of it. Truth 4. You become what you consume. What you read, watch, and listen to becomes your reality. Guard your mind like your life depends on it, because it does. Choose wisdom over noise, growth over comfort. Truth 5. Your comfort zone is your cage. It's warm, it's safe, but it's killing your potential. Every dream you have lives just outside that zone. So take the step, even if you're scared, especially if you're scared. If any of these truths hit your heart today, don't scroll past, take a breath, and make a promise to yourself. This is where your comeback begins. Like, share, and subscribe if you're ready to rise.